I get asked this question a lot. Spirit guides, what do they sound like in my head? So the best way that I can describe it is thought packets. That's what I receive. Think a clip or little blip from like a movie where it has lights, sound, the emotional feeling of the scene, sometimes vibrations if it's really loud, all that information, exactly the feeling of exactly what's happening in the movie at that time, all that information, and it just goes boop in your brain, just a little boop. Like drop of information in your brain, and then you have to explain that to somebody. So they don't speak in English, right? Because English is a human language. So I take the sights, like third eye sights, sounds that I kind of hear, like third eye sounds is the best way I can describe it. Feelings, emotions, sometimes smells. Like I'll get actual physical smells of things that are not like around me in my space, but it's part of the thought packet. Definitely vibrational energies, emotions, feelings, all of those things that you can imagine you can feel. I get them all in just one boop in my head, okay? Then I have to take them and translate them into English. So sometimes in session, you'll hear me kind of saying a word and I go, no, that's not right, because I kind of hear spirit over on this side. You'll see me kind of lean this way because I just hear it in this ear when I'm talking to them. And they'll help me find the word that means the closest thing to what they're trying to say. And then I say that to you. So that's what they sound like in my head. My own spirit guides sound like it's my voice, but the syntax is just a little bit different, or the verbiage is just like a tiny bit different, similar to what I would say because it is part of my highest self, but it's just a little bit different than what I would say probably in this human brain because they are more evolved, is that the right word? A higher vibration, I guess, than I am, a higher vibrational state, so they're coming from a better place, so their verbiage and syntax is probably stronger than what mine would be in the human body. So mine just sound like my own thoughts, and they usually answer me before I can finish asking a question. Other people's spirit guides still sometimes will answer stuff before you're even finished talking, but their voices sound different to me because it's not my spirit guide, it's your spirit guide. I hope that helps.